Hi, it's Dr. Jantz. As an eating disorder specialist and a eating disorder consultant, I can tell you the question comes up, can I take a supplement as a part of my eating disorder recovery for binge eating, bulimia, anorexia? And there is an important role if you've suffered from an eating disorder, and we have a team of actually dietitians, physicians, naturopathic physicians, and we look at all this and we look at how can we best support the GI tract, which is sometimes called the second brain, and this brain up here when it's nutrient deprived, and the right sources, right types of vitamins. And I'm not one to say go take a whole bunch of pills. Do this strategically. But we do need an eating disorder recovery. And we started doing this with the whole person model many years ago, where we need to have nutritional balance. And eating disorders will leave the body malnourished. There are key nutrients that are always important. I'm not saying go out and get these or do this with the right kind of professional guidance, but potassium is particularly important for an eating disorder, as well as zinc. They're sometimes referred to as the first nutrients to be replenished. Zinc does a lot of different things, from hair support to how food tastes, appetite. So lots of really important other vitamins and minerals that can be a part of the plan, but work with a person who understands eating disorders and can help you with this. And there's times where we do this, where it's a little IV, it's IV nutrient, and IV nutrient is important to get it into the bloodstream and to get that going right away. All right. Other ones important, obviously the B vitamins are super important because they relate back to metabolism. B vitamins are grown in our gut, in the bacteria in the gut, and they will help nervous system, improve mood, etc. I also made a note here to talk about amino acids. Tryptophan is one. You might think of tryptophan and you think, mood and sleep. So this also is very important to bring about a rebalance to the system. Other key nutrients that we always look at are vitamin A, C, and we always test for vitamin D to see if a person's low, something that our doctors do here. We also know that magnesium fits in there, and magnesium can be a real calmer for the brain, for the blood vessels, for blood pressure, etc. So again, you've got to work with the right professional, doing the right things here. It's not about taking a whole bunch of pills and not doing this without proper guidance. So this is where I love the IV nutrient therapy, where they're custom made IVs, and we just find our clients really benefit, and we see some really great changes. All right. Yes, supplementation for somebody who has struggled with an eating disorder, or still are, even if it's binge eating, can be a very important step to take. But do it, again, with the proper medical guidance, and we just see the big difference that this makes in a person's energy level, even the help that we see, they sleep better. This is why we love doing those nutrient IVs here at the center. We see it works.